Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode, we'll install a single-point wiring kit for the Renaissance commercial platform. The single-point wiring kit includes a pre-wired panel designed to provide a single electrical connection point for the cooling controls and electric heat strips in the Renaissance air conditioning and heat pump models. Verify that the correct single-point kit has been provided for the unit based on voltage, unit type, and size. Remove the control access cover. Remove the compressor access cover. Remove the blower access cover. And remove the heater access cover. See a separate video on installing the electric heater kit in the Renaissance commercial platform. Locate the label indicating where the heater electrical knockout is located on the bulkhead wall. Remove this label and remove the entire knockout. These 3 screws on the bulkhead wall need to be removed before installation of the wiring kit housing. Save these for reinstallation later. On the single point kit housing, unscrew the access door and remove both left side panels. Set the single point wiring kit into the cabinet and ensure the horizontal slot on the right side of the kit housing aligns with the flange on the bulkhead wall. Secure the kit housing to the bulkhead using the 3 screws previously removed at the bottom and upper side of the housing. Install 2 screws into the base at the front edge of the housing. Reattach the upper left panel to the left side of the housing assembly. This is the one with the compressor control wires. Install the pass-through plastic bushing into the knockout opening between the single point housing and the heater compartment. Pass the 3 copper conductors through the knockout into the heater compartment. Bend each of the conductors and insert them into the terminal block of the heater kit. Securely tighten the terminal lugs with an Allen wrench. At the upper left side of the single point wiring kit is the 3 conductor power connectors for the cooling section. Route the 3 wires through the grommet in the bottom of the control panel underneath the compressor contactor, CC1. Completely loosen the terminal lugs on the bottom of the contactor to make it easier to insert the pre-stripped wires into the terminals. The wires are marked with 1L1, 1L2, 1L3 that correspond to the L1, L2, and L3 terminals on the contactor. Insert the 1L1 wire into the L1 terminal. Insert the 1L2 wire into the L2 terminal. Insert the 1L3 wire into the L3 terminal. Securely tighten all 3 terminals. At the single point wiring kit, remove the knockout on the upper left-hand side panel as required to fit the field-installed conduit. Route the field conductors from the disconnect through the conduit into the single point wiring kit. Attach the ground wire to the grounding block next to the terminal block, attach the field conductors to the terminal block, and securely tighten the lugs using an Allen wrench, and verify all connection points, including the factory connections, are sufficiently tightened. Reinstall the lower left side of the single point wiring kit and secure the door. Verify the operation of the system and reinstall all cabinet covers. This completes the installation of a single point wiring kit in the commercial Renaissance platform. This concludes this episode of the 2-Minute Tech.